Umentri Ketenat Social Welfare ke Jela bak Pol Lyngdoh ulaong ba kamdon kanu ke Jingpynjlan ban penjelan ya kasamoy trekam jong ka KHADC bat JHADC namar kumju hakisna ban menshua wat ha JHADC ru lale kumju.
Well, I think this was obviously with reference to the fact that last year the state government has already been approached by the district councils for the much needed revision and redefinition of the various constituencies. As you are aware, some of these constituencies have voters of roughly 15,000 to 19,15. But there are some constituencies which have 3 times that number. So in all fairness, if an MDC is to deliver, at least there should be a certain amount of parity, and the same MDC should also be able to, in order to enable him to represent the people adequately, there should be some parity, at least in the number of voters of each of the constituencies. But they are entitled to their opinions. All I can say is that this is not unprecedented. In the past, the Garo Hills, the GHADC, has had 2 years of extension when Dr. Mukul Sama was the Chief Minister. So an extension of 6 months, when you compare to what was done in the past, an extension of 2 years is certainly a relatively very brief period.